How to add someone as a collaborator on TikTok. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick TikTok tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to add someone as a collaborator on TikTok, so both accounts appear on the same video. Let's start. First, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon to create a new video or select a video you're about to post. Second, record or upload your video as usual, then tap Next. Third, on the posting screen, look for the Tag People option and tap on it. Fourth, select Invite Collaborator. Now, search for the TikTok username you want to collaborate with and select their profile. Fifth, tap Send Invite and then post the video. Once the other person accepts the collaboration request, the video will appear on both profiles, and likes, comments, and views will be shared. Pro tip: make sure the other account is public and eligible for collaborations. If the option doesn't appear, the feature may not be available for one of the accounts yet. That's it. Now you know how to add someone as a collaborator on TikTok. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment collab below.